Hi guys, it's MTG here, and I'm here in Brooklyn, New York because DJI was gracious enough to invite me to their Mavic 2 event. Since this is the first time I went to this type of event, I wanted to take you guys along for the ride. Let's get right into it. So right now I just landed about 30 minutes ago. I picked up my luggage and I made my way over to the pickup area. The flight wasn't too long, it was actually shorter than usual, but I still wasn't able to get much sleep, so hopefully I can check into the hotel early and get a quick nap before the event. I was not able to check in, so now I'm on the hunt for some breakfast. I found food. As you guys probably know by the time you're watching this video, this DJI event was to announce the new Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom. Right now, I don't know anything about these two drones, but I'm really excited to see what's happening. Speaking of the event, it's almost time for registration, so I'm gonna head over right now. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story on the shape line.
It's the only one I can find is very short.
This one, right?
Yes.
Let me check you in. And here's the lanyard for you.
How are you? I'm Michael, by the way.
This is for the hands-off session.
Just remember
And this is a complimentary gift so that you can record the footage at the hands-on session.
Okay,
Cool.
thank you.
So here's the venue. I'll see you later. So I'm finally here at the event. There's not too much people right now, but I'm excited for what's in store.
Good morning and welcome to everyone in the room and to the thousands of viewers that are joining us. That's why DJI drones and the Mavic Pro in particular have become essential tools alongside DSLR cameras in the gear bags of many of today's top content creators. This is the DJI movement of the camera with expensive equipment such as tracks and pods. And frequently, you're creating a shot that moves just a few feet. But with the help of a new algorithm and a more powerful onboard processor, Mavic 2 can capture aerial hyperlapses with a track length of not feet, but kilometers. And it processes the images into video literally on the fly. This feature is based on Mavic 2's ability to self-locate, estimate its attitude, and precisely track subjects. It's a big technological achievement and a huge creative achievement as well. Mavic 2 Zoom will retail for $1,249. Mavic 2 Pro for $1,449. Mavic 2 will ship right away.
Now we all get a chance to look at the new drones in person. Now we're gonna head over and test out the drones for ourselves. It's very exciting and I might have to buy both drones. And that's it. Thank you DJI for inviting me to this event, and thank you for the goodie bag. I ordered my own Mavic 2 Pro already while I was in line to try it, so it did really sell me. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see more videos like this, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.